सो अब चैप्टर नंबर 6 के शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे जी हम। Question number 1 is, from the top of a tall building you drop two table tennis balls, one filled with air and the other with water. Which ball reaches the terminal velocity first and why? Answer is, according to the formula of terminal velocity in terms of mass, v is equals to mg over 6 pi eta r. तो यहाँ पर अगर हम देखें तो टर्मिनल वेलोसिटी जो है वो डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल है मैस ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट के। बाकी सारी चीज़ें कॉन्स्टेंट्स हैं, रेडियस, ईटा, विस्कोसिटी और ग्रेविटेशनल एक्सेलरेशन। So from above relation we can say that the terminal velocity is directly proportional to the mass of the body, because the mass of the air filled ball is less than the water filled ball. That's why the air filled ball will reach the terminal velocity first. ठीक है जी, तो इस चीज को आपने कंफ्यूज नहीं करना। टर्मिनल वेलोसिटी पहले एयर फील्ड जो बॉल होगा वो अचीव करेगा, लेकिन जो टर्मिनल वेलोसिटी इन टर्म ऑफ मैग्नीट्यूड होगी वो वाटर फील्ड मॉलिक्यूल की ज़्यादा होगी क्योंकि उसका मैस ज़्यादा है। लेकिन अचीव पहले कौन कर लेगा? वो एयर फील्ड होगा बैलून, सॉरी बॉल। ठीक है जी। Why can a squirrel jump from a tree branch to the ground and run away undamaged, while a human could break a bone in such a fall? So the answer is, when squirrel jumps from the tree, the surface area compared to its weight is large. So because of the large surface area, squirrel will experience large drag force. But in case of human falling from the tree, the surface area compared to his weight is very less, so he will experience a negligible drag force due to which he could break his bone. सिंपल इज़ दैट कि हमारे पास जो स्क्विरल है उस केस में ड्रैग फोर्स इतनी इनफ होती है कि वो उसके ऊपर एक्ट कर सके और उसका टाइम ऑफ इम्पैक्ट इंक्रीज़ कर सके। और ह्यूमन बीइंग के ऊपर ड्रैग फोर्स काफ़ी लिमिटेड अमाउंट में एक्ट कर रही होती है, जिसकी वजह से टाइम ऑफ इम्पैक्ट काफ़ी शॉर्ट होता है, जिसकी वजह से ज़्यादा इम्पल्स क्रिएट होती है और जो फ्रैक्चर होता है वो फेस करना पड़ता है एक ह्यूमन बीइंग को। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, हाउ डज द टर्मिनल स्पीड ऑफ ए पैराशूटिस्ट बिफोर ओपनिंग ए पैराशूट इज कंपेयर्ड टू द टर्मिनल स्पीड आफ्टरवर्ड? व्हाई इज देयर ए डिफरेंस? तो क्वेश्चन ये है कि पैराशूट ओपन करने से पहले पैराशूटिस्ट की जो टर्मिनल स्पीड होती है और पैराशूट ओपन करने के बाद होती है, उन दोनों में डिफरेंस क्यों होता है और ये डिफरेंस लाए क्यों कर रहा होता है उन दोनों के दरमियान? सो द आंसर इज, we know that the large surface area is in contact with the fluid, the greater will be the drag force. Before opening the parachute, the surface area of the body is less, due to which the less drag force is applied on it by the fluid. Therefore, its terminal speed is high. After opening the parachute, the acceleration of the body is dramatically decreased because of the large surface area, due to which the drag force applied by the fluid becomes large, and hence, therefore, the terminal velocity is decreased. तो जितना सरफेस एरिया ज़्यादा होगा उतनी ज़्यादा ड्रैग फोर्स एक्ट करेगी और उतनी ही कम वेलोसिटी हो जाएगी उस पैराशूटिस्ट की। Question number 4, you can squirt water over a greater distance by placing your thumb over the end of a garden hose, then by leaving it completely uncovered. Explain how this works. Answer is, according to the equation of continuity, AV is equals to constant, where A is the area, cross-sectional area of the pipe, while V is the velocity of the fluid, and hence by the equation A is inversely proportional to the velocity of the equation. From above equation we can conclude that when we place our thumb over the end of a garden hose, its area decreases. The velocity of the emerging water hence increases and it covers a greater distance. When we leave the hose completely uncovered, its area increases and the speed of the water decreases. Question number 5. Why does smoke rise faster in a chimney on a windy day? Answer. Smoke rises in the chimney faster when the breeze is blowing. This can be explained by Bernoulli's principle, according to which where speed is high, pressure will be low. Now, as the wind blows across the top of the chimney, the pressure is less there and less there than the pressure in the house. Therefore, on the account of this pressure difference, the smoke is pushed up in the chimney faster when a breeze is blowing. Question number 6. Two boats moving in parallel paths close to one another risk colliding. Why? Answer is, this can be explained by Bernoulli's principle, according to which where speed is high, pressure will be low. When two boats moving in parallel, the water stream between them will move with greater speed. According to the Bernoulli's principle, where speed is high, pressure will be low. During this time, pressure of water stream behind them is greater. Due to this pressure difference, there is a risk of the collision of the boats with each other. तो बेसिक थीम ये है कि बोट्स के दरमियान जो वाटर स्ट्रीम है ना जी, वहाँ बिकॉज हाई वेलोसिटी से वो स्ट्रीम मूव कर रही है ड्यू टू द हाई वेलोसिटी ऑफ द बोट्स, तो उस इन बिटवीन जो रीजन होगा ना, उस रीजन में प्रेशर कम होगा, तो आउटसाइड से जो प्रेशर होगा वो उन बोट्स को पुश करेगा टूवर्ड्स ईच अदर, तो इसलिए ये रिस्क होता है कि वो आपस में एक दूसरे से कोलाइड करें. Question number 7. A cricket ball moves past an observer from left to right spinning counterclockwise. In which direction will the ball tend to deflect? Its answer is, when the cricket ball spinning counterclockwise past an observer from left to right, the velocity of air adjacent to the left side of the ball increases, because the spinning motion of the ball and the velocity of the ball are in same direction, due to which pressure on the left side is decreases and the pressure on the right side increases. This difference in pressure deflects the ball towards the left and away from the observer. Question number 8. If aerofoil lift the aeroplane in upright position, how do the pilots make the aeroplanes fly upside down? Answer is, the shape of aerofoil is designed in such a way that the fluid flows faster over its top as compared to its bottom. As a result, the pressure above the wings becomes less than the below the wings. The difference in pressure gives the wing lift, forcing it upwards. For upside down motion, that effect would be reversed, and that is actually due to the special design of the aerofoils. Now the pilot could achieve upside down motion by alternating the angle of the attack. Question number 9. Why do the golf balls have dimples? Answer is, when air flows around a smooth ball, the layers of the air separate from each other and moves around the ball, and the air that is downside of the ball doesn't join back behind the ball, though this causes the low pressure behind the ball, and the low pressure zone will pull the ball back in backward direction and thus reducing its distance which was expected to be covered. Now when the air passes through the dimples of the golf ball, it slows down and causes turbulence, which makes the air join up behind the ball, thus increasing the pressure, which increases the distance of the ball to be covered. Question number 10. How by using wind deflectors on the top truck cabs reduce the fuel consumption? Answer. Wind deflectors on the top of the truck cabs are used to reduce air friction. Wind deflectors will reduce air resistance, thus the truck will move smoothly and the consumption of the fuel also decreases, only by slightly changing a vehicle's aerodynamics contour.